That's a preferable life kuyena.
Kwabanye mangathiwa siba realistic kwabanye yabo leyo nto leyo kwabanye ukure-offenda sister asibe factual yabona ama circumstances esiphila kuwona.
Yeah.
Angikhondoni lento angisho futhi ukuthi ngiyayivumela but mina ngumuntu ozolikhuluma ke iqiniso. I understand kumele ngilikhulume. Sister indlala iyaba re-offendisa abantu. And ukuba biased kwe-government kuyaba re-offendisa abantu again. Kuhlale kuthiwa uma uphuma ejele une-criminal record awukwazi ukuthi uqashwe i-state, awukwazi ukuparticipate ekuqashweni i-state.
Yes,
You understand? But njengamanje sine-ex-convict eyi-Minister of Sports and Agriculture. You understand? Plus nomngani wayo nomunye oyi-MEC ye-transport la eGoli. You understand? Ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi i-classism ingenaphi lapha. You understand? Mina ke ngithi